And a health clinic with locations across Colorado has been approved for a new federal program.
The clinics will get vaccines directly from the national stockpile without having to go through the state. As Denver 7 CB Cotton reports, it's all part of an effort to expand vaccine access in more communities.
Across the country, community health clinics are trying to get the COVID-19 vaccine to the under and uninsured.
Okay, he's saying everywhere there is people very excited to have the vaccine.
Colorado is no exception. Stride Community Health Center has been offering vaccination clinics for those with appointments twice a week.
We're aware that COVID disproportionately is impacting people of low income, people of color, and underserved populations.
And President Biden says he's aware of that too. It's why his administration has launched the Health Center COVID-19 vaccine program. Late last week, 3 of Colorado's community health centers were selected to be part of the pilot program. Stride is one of them.
We were really pleased and proud to receive news.
The program allows the federal government to send vaccines directly to health centers for the under and uninsured, cutting out the state as the middleman. The state will still get its weekly share of doses, and they'll distribute those to other healthcare providers.
There was a mismatch in what our capabilities were and how many vaccines that we were receiving. And so this provides a new supply for us to really close that gap, so that we're going to have the supply of vaccines to really match our capacity.
Stride CEO Ben Wiederholt says they don't know exactly when the doses from the federal government will arrive or how much they'll get.
A lot of this is still emerging and being sorted through, and we're anticipating sometime next week.
The governor has applauded the Biden administration's efforts, but earlier this week he sent a letter to the feds asking they be more specific as to where they're sending vaccines so he can make better decisions about where to focus vaccine efforts in Colorado. While we wait to see how this partnership plays out, Wiederholt is certain of one thing.
The outcome is going to be that we're going to be able to provide more vaccines to people in most need.
CEO Wiederholt says in addition to not knowing exactly when these doses are going to arrive from the White House, they also don't know if they'll continue to receive vaccines from the state. CB Cotton, Denver 7.